Me ain't no normal monster, you know. I invent it. The rest just rent it. Yeah, morning, welcome to Trinidad. Trinidad, big welcome, morning, Bodow. We don't know, we just lineman vibes in a little bit. Foodie Nation by me here, so we're doing a little small thing here. We're going through Trinidad and Tobago, how we just really start to prep the fish, how we just put everything together from foundation to finish. Yeah? See what we have in here, basic normal plantain, right? Normally we go boil them, fry them. Why are you going on this today? Roast your plantain for you today. Right? So why is the lobster washing and organizing up? We're going to do some conchs and some plantain. Yeah? Okay, that's it. On this side here we have coconut shell and wood. On this side we have more hardwood. So here what the plantain ready to burn, we just want to steam out the correct way. Everybody want to know where we be getting wood from, how we be getting wood. This is what they call sea grapes. See them big leaf bush on them there? Like sea grapes. Most of the time you just get it more on the beach side. It's a fruit, it's a tree. What is beer? I don't none on it right now. What did I show you it? It's a tree, what is beer fruit long so, with some little small round thing like grapes. Just like a bunch of grapes like. But fast as the people clean up the edge of the beach and cutting, going down and cleaning up the lot and thing, I just come and just lap up the wood and go with it. So I come like I easing them up, but yet still, I using the wood for my purpose and my exercise and clean up as I'm going along too. As I say again, good wood, hard wood. No man wood. Solid wood, green wood, Sarah's wood. As you can see, it's not really dry with the Saras. And everything that cut up inside the suit and junk up to go. Them fellas on them, just move them out and start to load up the van. And I let them drilling. The plantain, now we're going to take out the plantain. And you realize I roast the plantain with the skin on it. Yeah? So let me take it on and so you go look. Yeah? Me ain't no normal monster, you know. I invent it. The rest just rent it. Now, son, roast plantain. What are we talking about? Watch it. See it, my people? When you come by Bodow, you don't know what. Like it boil, Talk stunt now. As I say again, I invented. The rest just rent it.